Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by Honda air blade owners: overheating. If your air blade is running hot, you're in the right place. We'll explore the causes and how to fix them. First off, why does your air blade overheat? Let's look at the usual suspects. A common culprit is a problem with the cooling system, and the radiator is the heart of it. Check for leaks, damage, or blockages. The radiator fan is also crucial. It needs to kick in when the engine gets hot. Ensure the fan motor works and that the fan blades aren't damaged. The thermostat is another critical part. It regulates coolant flow, and if it fails, the engine can overheat. Check if the thermostat is opening and closing correctly. Next, the coolant itself matters a lot. Always use the right type of coolant recommended for your air blade. Low coolant levels can easily cause overheating, so keep an eye on your coolant reservoir. Also, inspect the coolant hoses for any cracks or leaks, as these can lead to coolant loss and overheating. Now, let's consider the engine's health. Issues with your engine, like a blown head gasket, can cause overheating. Watch out for white smoke from the exhaust or coolant mixing with the oil. These are red flags. The oil itself is vital. Using the correct oil grade and maintaining proper oil levels is essential for keeping your engine cool. The oil pump ensures the engine receives sufficient lubrication and cooling. So, what can you do? Start with the basics. Check the coolant level and top it up if needed. Inspect the radiator for leaks and blockages. Check the fan operation. The fan should turn on when the engine gets hot. Test the thermostat. If it's faulty, replace it. If the problem persists, you might need to dig deeper. A compression test can tell you if there are issues with the head, gasket, or other internal engine problems. Always have a qualified mechanic perform these tests. If you suspect engine damage, get professional help immediately. Ignoring engine problems can lead to more significant and expensive repairs. Regular maintenance is your best friend. Flush and replace the coolant according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Regularly inspect the cooling system components for wear and tear. Change the engine oil and filter at the recommended intervals. A well-maintained air blade is less likely to overheat, saving you time and money. And that's our look at Honda air blade overheating issues. Remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.